Want to make your calendar alerts more personal? Let's change the alert background to your own photo on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. And then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Now choose alert background. Here you will see a preview at the top. If you tap the gallery icon at the bottom, you can select one of your own photos and use it as the background. Just pick your photo and it's set. If you don't want to use a photo, you can also choose from the color bubbles shown here. Just tap a color you like and it instantly changes the alert background. And that's it. Now every time you get an event alert, it shows with your favorite photo or color. This is a simple way to add personal thoughts to reminders. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.